How to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. So let's begin. Before we proceed, make sure first to update your Facebook app. So if it's still not updated, then go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure to update your Facebook app. Once you have done updating your Facebook app, now you may open it. So before we proceed, you may only fix the Add Friend button if it is your account. So if it is not your account, then you may not fix it. So now you may go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen and then make sure to scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy. So click on Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Wait for it to load, and then scroll down until you can see the option in which you may change your privacy when it comes to adding yourself or adding you as a friend. So you may go to how people find and contact you, and then you may go to who can send you friend requests. So when you click that, make sure that you have checked this option, which is everyone. So wait for it to load, and then you should go ahead and check it once again. So whenever you check friend of friends, then the only button that will appear is the following button or follow button. And however, whenever you click everyone right here, anyone can click the add friend button instead of the follow button. So you may now go back, and then that's it. That's how you can fix add friend not showing on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.